Zhejiang Metong Road Construction Machine Company Limited is a professional road construction machinery company established in 2004. Our subsidiary companies, Hangzhou Metong Special Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, Hangzhou Sansan Metong Machinery Company Limited, not only we have a strong R&D team composed of experts, professors, and doctors, but also we are ISO 9001 authorized, and all of our products have been approved with CCC certificate. Through working hard, we have become the leader of manufacture, sales, and technical services of road construction and maintenance machinery in China now. And we export our products to many areas like Asia, Africa, America, and so on. Our leading products are a full range of asphalt distributor, bitumen sealed gravel layer synchronization car series, slurry sealed truck series, rubber asphalt, modified bitumen and asphalt recycling, and other production equipment. Metong has become the leader of road construction machinery, covering a wide range of enterprises, and built the core of innovation and constantly absorbing advanced international research and development concepts and manufacturing technologies with well-known institutions, R&D units, and in a broad and comprehensive cooperation. Metong will continue to expand through road construction machinery fields, improve their technical level, improve product mix, optimization of global service network platform with international advanced technology, and toward a culture of corporate direction.